aircon height should be around this height, 2.1 and above. At least won't knock. So if I set 2.1, I think it should be good enough. Alright? Yeah. Oh, it's still pretty low, huh? But is it good? If your 300, 200 is somewhere here, I think there's a lot of space. You can even set higher. Yeah. Actual fact. It's just that here we don't have an actual ceiling, so I'm just random. So for this case, if I want to set this fella higher, now currently it's 226. I think I put 24 still should be alright. Yeah, it still should be alright. Okay, because your 200 somewhere around here. So this guy has at least they have 100 clearance. Okay, but I got to maintain the aircon curse as well. I must need a long ladder to go up and clear your aircon. Right. Right now. So now we need to take a look at the aircon. Where is the connection and so on? So if I were to pick this fella, or maybe this one here, I put here a bit, don't block my view. You select this, you can see there's a few connections here. 6.4 out, and this is in. So fan coil, what is in and out? The gas. That's why you can see your compressor, if there's a 6 outlet, that means this guy's a system 3. Yeah, one in and one out. Then they don't have a drain pipe. What, huh? If it's condensation high, you got to drain away the cold water, right? What's the drain pipe? There's one more outlet, right? No? No need? You understand what I mean? Don't know. Seriously don't know? Your house no aircon, huh? Then?
It's remote.
Just remote. That's to turn on and off lah. I know it's remote lah. But you must know how it works lah. The copper piping go in cold air the what's that? What's the agent? Refrigerate something cold, comes in, return back
Yeah.
Well, come out it's hot already, right? Return to fan coil, cool again, then come. So it's a circulation thing,
It's a
water. Water? Not water lah.
Only water.
It's gas.
Yeah,
It's gas. It's not water. Water, if it can pump go up, it's gas.
The gas also different.
It's a gas. It's not water. Young man. You think what? 30 years back? Water. No water, it's all gas. Yeah. It's a cool. Those are cooling gas. So when condensation now, you know those fin? Has to cool out lah. So it the water condense, you got a drain pipe to drain away ma.
Outside.
Yeah. Then where's the drain pipe here? I don't see any drain pipe connection.
I think behind. Yeah, behind.
Behind where? There's only 3 connection here. Power, pipe in, pipe out. You see lah, that's why I see.
I think power is beside, right?
This is the power lah, ne?
Oh.
Then this is pipe in, pipe out lor. Look at it.
Yeah.
That was a drain. Don't tell me your air is just one way ticket lah. No come back one. No lah. Or what? So sometimes it's very confusing. So here, basically looks to me they are the same.
So
if you have one, you should see a drain.
refrigerant coming.
It's a plastic pipe drain out ma. Yeah. That's why you need to pipe out to your drainage system or to your toilet, near the toilet, kitchen or whatever lah. Depends on which is the closest or which one can conceal nicely lah. Some piping under your slab, your finishes. When lay houses that they do at the area. So it depends how they do it. Okay? So this sort of thing is like headache. Here don't have means don't need to draw lah, good no? Okay? So how to draw the pipes? So that means my second story, I need to put a compressor. Correct now? So second story plan. My view again, I hate this. So this is my compressor. Somewhere here. Right, compressor, mechanical equipment. If you don't care about mechanical equipment, you can simply say, hey, component, place a component, right? Then load family. Which one? Browse it to. Mine is under Rabbit. Where is it? BCA Academy. Where? Here. Some more. Families. Douglas. Here. So let's say I want this type of compressor. Like this. It says split system outdoor carrier single split 240. This one. Split system outdoor carrier single split at 180. So this got higher power, right? Or the size. You see this. You see the data wise never mentioned clearly. What is 180? What is like 240? Anyway, I just take any one of them lah. The bigger one lah. Kiasu a bit. This one. Why? Serious ah? Look same huh? This one better right? You know why not? This guy got open vent. The component is exposed outside, so how water can go in. Unless you have a shelter lah, you build a cover for them lah. But this is mainly for what? Air cooling or hot air or air. So it means you got to build something to cover nicely, right, for the airflow intake here and there. So let's try this lah. Because this one other class I tried nothing special. I try this. Open. And yeah, you got to whoa. So big ah. Oh my goodness. Only one size but it's huge, man. Oh my goodness, this one giant No, I think it's too big already, it's scary. See, so big Huh? It's too big, right? Big here. It's huge. See? One giant.
There's so many.
Yeah, but the important thing is what is the connection. The thing is the connection how. Hey, come with a box
And then they cover the box.
It's weird, right?
It means you cannot too close to the liquid
Clearance.
because the hot air will come out. The box shelter. If you put it too close, then
But the graphic also looks sucks. How the connection like? Goes from this type of unit seriously I don't really understand. You can see here there's a hole here, means there's a piping connection, right? See now? See there's a lobang there? So it's just like either you go by outside or you go by inside connect. So this is where the connecting pipe. But a bit no logic. Normally I don't think this is the one. I'm gonna delete it. One more. Place a component. Load family. The other one. That's how you say that one is correct. Because I use that, it look like this one. I just want to try whether this is like similar. This is different. VCA, MEP, families. This one, and this one, right? Open. No. That's my view. It's story. No, I did smaller. This one will be reasonable. Insert. Okay? Like that. So this is where all your pipe connections. 3 point, So same thing here, you see your pipe in and out. You know. So since this single split, that means what? One compressor, one fan coil. So you have 6 rooms.
So this compressor 6 as well.
How about the big one?
Stupid, right? Why can't they build something that becomes at least a
At
system
least you
2?
make like you force.
Yeah, at least minimum 3 lah. So I can just put 2 or 3 compressors, right? I put 6 or 7 compressor, right? Got money also not like that spend on, right? So library a bit funny when you do something like that. But anyway, we try to cheat a bit, meaning what? Assuming that let's say this one connect to a 2. So that means the return one will start to split connections. Easier. If not, it's stupid that hey, I really must have one aircon, one compressor. No logic.
The price is the same, right? The cost is the same.
I mean, we got to make some changes. We cannot say follow that, like, hey, this is wrong, then we still got to do it. But we don't have any other stuff already. Right?
Can we like split the pipe?
Yeah, this one I say split the pipe. Like the main one come out, then start to split to. That's the only way. Then how? We got no choice, right? Yeah. But the interest. 大力点，我记什么？ So I'm going to rotate this because your piping come from here. You got one big round connect to here, right? So I'm going to rotate this. So I'm going to rotate. Maybe this, like that. Easy to connect, right? Yeah. So clearance, enough, right? So more than ample space already, 600 plus, big enough, I can squat down and sleep there again.
Easy to maintain.
Yeah, but don't have earthquake, Yeah, 400 plus, more than enough space. Okay. Now, how to draw this? I will show one to you, then you guys go to finish whatever. Here comes the interesting part. I need to have a section because if you see here in 3D, you need to draw the pipes. This software don't understand. That's why they're fed up about this. See, you see that you pick this fella, there's a connecting point here. So your piping, actual fact, you look carefully, aircon pipe normally come from the side. That's why you look at the model itself. Look at the model. You can see here there's an opening tab, right? Lari's in the room. Monkey can't even see in the room. Here. See? So aircon guy will say it depends your pipe you will run left or right. So they'll break this tab. This is how the pipe comes up. Then it goes up to the ceiling. Okay? So of course this is a plastic tab. So the pipe must either come out this way and goes up. So it depends on whether you lay the pipe is left or right. Alright? So you look at this view that you're going to draw. Select this, you say, okay, point right click, I like to draw piping. Cannot draw, look at it. Not allowed. Because of what? 3D view. So for this case, what can you do?
Section.
Yeah, section. This is the angry part. So both pain, no choice. 3D, we use it to see how the piping runs, and you know, I think here easier to see, right? Where is my plan here? Second story data, first story plan is here. So I need to have a section cut this way. Correct? So zoom in. Section. Where are you? Here. Cut maybe across here. Or here also can. As long as temporary now to let me see my stuff. Like that, and like that. So this one section, BB. Okay, so move this fella to ACMP. So both are here. Right, BB. Double click. Find wireframe. Then here I will apply a view template called mechanical section. And it's now fit nicely for my view. This fella here set to 50. Oh, sharp for set to 50. How to change this? Here, scale 1:2. 50. So smaller. So this one I'll drag out a bit. Model no change. I just want to take off this only. So to draw the pipes, now you're here. Wireframe, cannot. Take this. So this guy says in. That means must connect from out. Right. Here in, here's out lah. Out, in ma. Then here out, go back to in here what? Don't tell me in, go out. Salah, say opposite direction. How to have air come out? Later got aircon your normal air lah. No coldness coming out. Something wrong what? See now? So here I simply just need to draw my pipe. Point right click, draw pipes. See, it allows you to draw now. So randomly I'll draw something like that up. Don't care about the error. They'll just whatever. Because they can't match a correct pipe size. So here we set it to find. I hate it that when I use this stupid thing here, where here is what it says. Detail level is medium. Fine lah. Nah, I see my piping. But this piping itself, just now I draw, I never insulation. Conduit must have insulation, right? Conceal the corners, make sure the ridge or area is still cold. 它不是个那种 rubber those kind of rubber conduit, right? Comes in conduit like the is it a foam? It's kind of foam material, right? Yeah, very soft one, but it's the thicker kind of rubber. So they have different type of thickness. Yeah. Okay. So here you want to add can, but it's a bit ugly lah. Seriously, you can add insulation. So what is the thickness? 25 mm. Fiberglass. PVC jet fiberglass. I don't know what you want. Should be PVC Right. So let's try this 25 mm. Be okay? Nah. But 25 mm is very thick already. I don't think so 25 mm. Edit insulation. Where's the value? No value at all. Remove insulation. You're gone. Add. Change this guy to normally is that thick only, right? 5 mm. But still a bit thin. No, I don't like. 5 mm to 2. Sorry, this is not 5 mm. This is all 10. Okay. Let me get 10, at least okay. 10 reasonable. Alright, so in the 3D, where is it? A view. That's why I said a lot of view required. It looks like this. It's just that now I don't add because you can't really see my pipe later connection properly. Okay? Maybe when everything done, you're going to add, please go and add. But not while you're doing the piping. Because the laying of pipe is important. Okay, so for this case, I will maybe temporarily I don't want it. So you can see that my pipe clearly rather than just the insulation. So more views required. Things are being drawn. Alright. Where is it? Here. And where is it? Second story. This is my section. Okay, so I need a lot of view to get it work. So important. Now one more piping. Let's say maximize this. This one is in, right? This is out. Why right click? Draw pipes. This way cannot. Out. Lower, longer.
That way.
Don't bother lah, it still draw for you one. Okay, now if I set this guy to wireframe back again. Why I need to keep setting this here and there? Because sometimes it's not really clear enough. So currently is what fine is one thing. What's the view? Wireframe. Where can I set wireframe? Shadow, model, filter. You know wireframe. Where is it? No wireframe. Model display. Wireframe. You look carefully. This is the pipe opening up to here. So this is a big gap. Now become so cramped. So if that's the case, you can click this fella, move up a bit. See now? Move again. So here, move. Okay, like this. So now look like this. Any questions? Of course, you don't go and come up so long then turn now. Normally people turn immediately from here. Alright, so the view I need is from here. Correct enough. So from here, this pipe right click, draw new pipes. Quite similar. I want to have a piping here. Center up all the way. Somewhere here. Correct enough. Now, normally copper pipes, you don't see any joint for aircon. It's one whole tube, continue all the way on. That's why you can see when they come, they curl in the ring form. It must be one tube. Then if they need to join right, they will solder together. There's no so-called fitting like what you see here. This aircon pipe. It's one whole piece. When they lay aircon. So you must also be careful. One direction out, a few times this guy will break. So they got to be very, very careful.